Hey guys, it's Cass. Welcome back to my channel. So I live in Canada, and right now in Canada it is minus 40 degrees. I am freezing my ass off, and the only thing that reminds me of hot weather is this eye look. So this look was inspired by hot weather and the beach and the sun, and yeah. So yeah, I really wanted to play with like colorful eyeshadows because I feel like I really do the same looks. I play with warm tones, which this is a pretty warm eyeshadow look, but still, it's a little bit out there for me. I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone a little bit, so that's what I tried to achieve today with this look. So if you're interested on knowing how to get this look, then just keep on watching. I feel like doing a cut crease. Last time I did a cut crease was one that was pretty natural. It was like brown tones and everything. And I feel like doing an orange one maybe. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. I'm gonna start off with the color Eden from the Prism palette by Anastasia. And now I'm gonna use kind of a burnt orange, so I'm gonna use the color Saturn. Is it that one? Yeah, the color Saturn from the Prism palette too. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Parallel, which is this brown color, just to kind of darken up the cut crease a little bit. Now with any concealer, I'm just going to be creating my cut crease. Once I'm done creating my cut crease, I'm just going to be taking the color Parallel again, which is a brown color, to darken up a little bit more like the crease. For the lids, I'm going to be using this single shadow by NYX called Frostbite. I just winged my eyes with a green eyeliner. With this one is the NYX Vivid Brights and the color Vivid Envy. So that's what I lined my eyes with. And right now I'm just gonna put mascara on and my lashes, and I'll be back. I'm back with the lashes on. The lashes I use are the Ardell in the style Natural. And now it's time for the face. You guys have seen me do my face like 100 of times, so I'm gonna speed this up. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible in the color 102. Now for concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline concealer in the color Fair. I'm gonna set the rest of my face. There was something wrong, like my fake lashes were just poking me, so I removed it and I'm gonna be applying it again. But while the glue kind of dries, I'm just gonna be bronzing my face. Okay, so I'm just gonna move on to my lower lash line, and just gonna be using the color Eden again, which is this peachy color that I use. I'm just using the color Parallel and I'm putting it tighter on my lower lash line. Once this is done, I'm just going to be applying some mascara. And going back to the face, I'm just going to be applying some blush real quick. I'm using the one that comes in the Tarte's contour palette. I feel like I want something a little darker. I'm changing directions. I'm changing my blush color. I'm gonna use this Estee Lauder Pure Color blush in the color Mauve Mystic. I don't feel like highlighting my actual face. I just want to highlight the tip of my nose and my inner corner. And maybe my brow bone too. For my lip color, I'm just going to use this Baby Lips Moisturizing Lip Gloss by Maybelline. So this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.